The 11th of August 2022, the family of the late Daniel Musyoka has posted dozens of messages calling on the public to give any information on his whereabouts after he went missing on that fateful morning.
But yesterday, that search ended tragically when Daniel's body was discovered by herders in a forest in Kajiado and positively identified by his family.
Police have launched investigations into the matter pending the post-mortem exam on his body tomorrow.
NTV's Ngina Kirori has the latest on this tragic tale.
My name is Daniel Musyoka, the returning officer in the East constituency.
In an exclusive interview with NTV on the 8th of August 2022, the eve of the elections.
In terms of preparations, we are almost 3/4 done. Right now, we are dealing with the sorting and packaging of the ballot papers.
Daniel Musyoka had expressed optimism about the election. Described by family and friends as a man of integrity, he was eager to see a thorough electoral process in the area he had been deployed to as a returning officer, Embakasi East. However, after constituents took to the ballot, Daniel would never have the opportunity to see his work through. On August 11th at around 9:30 a.m., he stepped outside to receive a phone call, but he never came back, igniting a painstaking search for him by his family, friends, and the IEBC. But on 15th of August, herders who were grazing their cows in a forest in Loitoktok area, Kajiado County, discovered a body dumped deep in the thickets at roughly 11 a.m. And late last night, Daniel's family made a positive identity.
Tukapanda tukaambiwa kuna mwili tukuje tuvue kama ni yeye, kuja tukapata ni yeye. Na kushangaza ni kwamba juu alipotea Wednesday alikuwa tu fresh, which means ni kama akuliwa njana usiku. Kuna huzuni sana kama familia.
Nimesikitika sana kupata hii maneno sababu tumekuwa tukifuatilia. Tulikuwa tunatarajia tutampata akiwa hai. Kulingana na vile ukiona mtu Kenya akipotea, hawezi potea kwa siku mingi.
Polisi walipofika huko wakapata kwamba ilikuwa ni mwili ya mwanaume kutoka ambaye ilikuwa haijaharibika sana.
Daniel's body was found in this thicket, hundreds of kilometers away, stripped of any clothing and bearing fresh abrasions, indicating a possible struggle between him and his attackers. Daniel Musyoka's family from Nakuru, where he lived until his death, are crushed after receiving the news of their kin.
Ni mtu ambaye ni very humble. Si mtu ambaye anataka mambo ya kukutana hapa na pale. Kwa miaka hiyo ambayo tumekaa naye miaka 10 na miezi kadhaa, ni mtu ambaye ni mpole sana.
Tumeghadhabika sana kwa mambo haya kwa sababu wakati tu huyu jamaa tusikia amepotea, serikali ingeweza, na tunajua serikali ina uwezo wa kufuata maneno kama haya.
Si tumewachia God na pia tunaomba justice. Kama kabisa hii Kenya wako juu kila kitu ina happeningi, tunaambiwa justice itapatikana, haipatikani. Kwa sababu alikuwa anafanyia serikali.
Mbona kila mwaka wa election ikifanyika lazima mtu akufe? Last time tulisikia Msando, hiyo election nyingine. Sasa tumesikia ni Musyoka.
Now I'm standing in front of the hollow path where the body of the late Daniel Musyoka was found. It is typically a seasonal river, but the question here begged is just how did the murderers manage to pass through the police post, which is required before someone actually enters the forest? Well, many residents say that there are multiple paths that would enable somebody to enter this very location where the body of the late Daniel was found.
A joint team of officers, including those from DCI, processed the scene earlier today, collecting the items found near Daniel's body. They were accompanied by his family.
Alikuwa amelala akiwa amejikunja. Mkono iko hivi, moja na ingine iko hivi. Na mguu amekunja. Unaona? Na ako na maalama huku. Na hiyo alama ilikuwa ni fresh.
However, locals say this is not the first time a body has been discovered in this gully, which is a seasonal river, making it an opportune hiding spot for killers looking to conceal their deeds.
Kwa sababu ni mara ya pili. Wacha ya tatu, kwa sababu ya tatu ni mjamaa alibebwa na maji. Huyu alibebwa na maji, mjamaa wa pikipiki saa 11. Lakini hasa huyu tulimpata pale, na huyo ambao tumempata hapa.
It would also appear that the murderers were not strangers to the area, as the incident is believed to have happened at night. In this forest that gets pitch dark at night, not just anybody can navigate it. A post-mortem examination on the body of the late Daniel Musyoka is to be conducted tomorrow at the Loitoktok Sub-County Hospital and is expected to shed more light on what happened to him in his final excruciating moments and perhaps give some answers to his family, who are still grappling with the motive behind their kin's vile murder on a day he was set to announce the results of the Embakasi East constituency election for the MP and MCA positions. Gena Kirori, NTV.